Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a Kahoot quiz from scratch. To create a Kahoot quiz from scratch, from the home menu, you tap on the create icon on the bottom. Then if you want to use the AI assistant, you have to have subscribed to a plan. So we are starting from scratch, so choose blank canvas. Then you can put a cover image here. If you like, you can put a cover image there. Then you can put the title of the quiz that you want to create. Let's say sample quiz. Put the real title of the quiz you want to create. Then click on done. Then you can choose a theme. You choose a theme for your quiz. Let's say winter is mine. Decide to look on a mobile. Decide to look on a desktop. Click on save. Then the winter didn't apply. It's probably my network again. So anyway, next you're gonna do is visibility. You can choose to private, that means only share people you want, and then you can choose everyone if you want. Then you click on the question, add question. So it's a quiz. It could be, this is a quiz, this is true or false. We have other types of questions. You can see them all here, but you have to be at least a silver plus user to be able to access to them. So we only have access to quiz and true or false questions. So let's use a quiz. Here you choose the timer for the quiz. Then you can add media like pictures and stuff to the quiz. I don't know why the network is really bad. Okay, so once it loads, you pick and you can also choose from your gallery. Let me pick from my gallery in order not to waste time. Let's say I choose this from my gallery. Click on save. Then you can type the question you want to ask here. So let's say the question is what is, for example, 1 is 4 times 10. For example, I know it's extremely simple, but it's an example. Then you put the options. So you put the options. The first answer, let's say I say 14. Second option, let's say 6. Fourth option, let's say 40. The correct answer, always click this on to show the correct answer. Done. And then you can put the last option. You can leave it if you don't want to let's say the last answer is, let's say 14. And that's it. You can add more option by clicking this one, but you have to be a silver at least subscriber. So once you're done with that, if there's a question you want to give, you leave it. If there's a question, you click on plus at the bottom here to add more. Second one also can be a quiz question. So let's say the question could be, what is yellow? What is yellow? Example. So add an answer of fruits. A color. Turn it on is the correct answer. Let's say a tool. A skincare product, for example. A skincare product. And then you can add as many questions as you want. But once you through everything, you can also preview each of the question. You can duplicate the question. Let's add one more, but let's make it a true or false question. So let's make it true or false question. Let's make it kind of confusing. You're supposed to make confusing questions. I was about to say orange is a what? Orange is a fruit, true or false? Orange is actually a fruit, actually it's still a color, so it could be any of them. So if you say true, say false, your answer is correct. So let's look for something else. Okay, let's use a simple question. Africa is a country, which is not true, of course. Africa is not a country, it's a continent. Africa is a country. So true or false? So true is not the correct answer. The correct answer is false, so turn it on. And we're true with our quiz. So we click on top, we click on save, and that's it. We have completed our quiz from scratch. It's as simple as that. It's saving right now. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.